Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are cooking chicken and sweet corn soup. You will need 2 garlic cloves, chicken breast, several spring onions, 2 eggs, 198 grams of tin sweetcorn, 1 liter of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and salt and pepper. Cooking method. Peel and mince 2 garlic cloves. Cut the ends off for spring onions, peel and slice. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk. Add a splash of water to 2 tablespoons of cornflour and whisk to make a cornflour slurry. Lightly crush some of the sweet corn in the tin with the end of a rolling pin. Dice the chicken breast. Heat 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to a large saucepan. Add the garlic and fry for 1 minute. Add 1 liter of chicken stock and the diced chicken to the pan. Bring to the boil and simmer for 5 minutes. Add the sweet corn and season with pepper. Bring back to the boil and simmer for 5 minutes. Rewhisk the cornflour slurry, and while stirring the soup, add the cornflour slurry slowly. While stirring, pour in the whisked egg slowly. Taste and add salt and pepper as needed. Plate up the soup and sprinkle on the chopped spring onions. Chicken and sweet corn soup. I eat it with prawn crackers and soy sauce.